Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
That's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go.
Now let's park it too. I'll show you what I can do.
Here alive for my whole life.
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Yes. No, out of gas? How can I be out of gas?
Boy. The court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
¡Son tubos de escape!
From Lightning McQueen. He will use all in all in the final race, despite what occurred today.
Aquí recto. Ya oí suficiente y fuera.
Going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
It's attached to me. Hey, I know you. You're that fella from the karate demonstration.
Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the old...
Slokje water. Neem nou een slokje water.
Ook die hikken, soldaat.
Prize when they get their presents. Money!
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
It is?
Lightning McQueen! Good job! Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod.
¡Oh, no! ¡Estornudos! ¡Va a explotar! I'm gonna make you scream! Ah! Hello, slow little tank engine. You'll be pleased to know, Rose.
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby!
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Okie dokie.
Thanks, guys!
Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
Road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
Thank you for your support and your big mistake, McQueen. Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will. What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Take my way. That's the highway.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.